Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show how to reset your Jaguar XJ service light. This simple procedure can be done right in your driveway. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. You will need to locate two important buttons: the trip computer reset button, usually found on the dashboard, and the trip button, typically on the end of your indicator stalk. Getting familiar with these controls is your first step. Now let's begin the reset sequence. With the ignition still off, press and hold down the trip computer reset button. While keeping this button pressed, turn your ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine. As soon as the ignition is on, release the reset button. This initial step sets the stage for the next crucial actions, so precision is key here. This next part requires quick action. Within 3 seconds of releasing the reset button, press and hold the trip button located on your indicator stalk. While still holding the trip button, simultaneously press and hold the reset button once more. Keep both buttons held down for about 10 seconds. You should see a message like Resetting Service Mode appear on your dashboard display. Once you see the Resetting Service Mode or Service Mode reset message, you can release both buttons. The service light should now be reset. To finalize the process, turn your ignition completely off, then remove the key. Wait for a few moments, then restart your engine to confirm that the service-required light is no longer illuminated. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your Jaguar XJ service light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.